Hello, Dubai. Good morning. Today we are here at City Walk, and behind me is the Coca-Cola Arena. We will be talking and walking with someone who has been here for several years already, built some communities, and we will learn from her journey on how to thrive and be successful abroad. So, my friends, let's all meet
Jana!
Jana. Hello, Jana. Good morning. Jana. Hello, Jana. Good morning.
Hello po. Good morning.
Right. Shall we walk?
Sa inyo. Sige po.
All
Let's
right.
go.
So, Jana, Pet, unang-una, who are you? Tell us about yourself first.
Ako po si Jana. I've been here in UAE for 10 years now.
10 years, bagong-bago.
Yes po, bagong-bago.
Yes.
And I'm a mom of 4. Dito sila
Talaga?
nakatira with us.
Yeah.
Ang eldest ko po is mag-15 and youngest ko po is 3 years old.
3 years old. Okay, parang ako din. I have 14 and 3 years old. Youngest.
ayun
Yeah.
po. I started working here as a customer service sa isang telecom company.
Okay. Mhm.
Hindi rin planado ang pagpunta ko sa Dubai. Same story of other people.
Yes,
Maybe.
yes.
And hopeful, very hopeful. And then praise God because right now, I'm not working anymore and I'm with my kids.
Nice. That's nice. Ang ganda ng perspective. Balikan natin yun that she's not working anymore. Right? Taga saan ka ba sa atin?
Sa Caloocan City po.
Hello. Okay. Right. So, you're not working anymore. So, what are you doing now here in Dubai?
Wala po eh. Ano
Siya
po?
lang yung walang ginagawa na masaya.
Bali po, ako po ay, I'm a content creator.
Yep.
And also, I'm a community builder.
Mm.
I'm a wife and a mom. Ayan po ang
Yes.
aking pinagkakabisligan ngayon.
Right.
Ayan po.
What a nice way to introduce yourself, right? Wife and a mom, right? Yes. So how long? 10 years you've been here in Dubai for 10 years, sabi mo,
Yes,
right? But can you take us back, if you don't mind, na parang what motivated you to move here? If you can share a bit of what was your life back then, and what was the journey like?
Before po, sa Philippines, I was working in hindi po magsabi ng brand. Basta
Yeah.
po, brand ng isang phone na
Okay.
kilala sa Philippines.
Right.
And I was just, hopeful na sana makapaghanap ng magandang opportunity sa Philippines. Since sa Philippines, kailangan graduate ka. And since I'm a mom, teenage pa, hindi po ako nakapag-graduate ng college.
Mhm.
And ang identity ko sa sarili ko, hanggang dun lang ako. Kung
Mm.
ano lang yung natapos ko, hanggang dun lang ako.
Talaga. Okay.
And there was a time na yung kapitbahay namin, he was working in an agency.
Okay.
Sabi niya, Jana, can you help me maghanap ng mga candidate papunta sa United Arab Emirates, which is I don't have any idea about it.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam ang UAE.
This was
Ang alam
10
ko
years
lang
ago.
Saudi.
Yes. Okay. Parang
Oo.
Middle East, Saudi agad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos sabi niya sa akin, ang kailangan ko is graduate
Yeah.
with a background in telemarketing or
Alright.
sales. Ako, meron akong background in sales since yun yung trabaho ko before.
Mm.
But then, I don't have this confidence sa sarili ko na I can go outside of the Philippines.
Okay. Okay.
And then, ako po kasi, mahilig talaga ako mag-share ng opportunities sa trabaho or kung ano lang, basta mahilig ako kasi gusto ko po makita yung mga friends ko na they're striving or,
Yes.
this
Yeah.
kind of thing. So, ang ginawa ko po doon, naghakot po ako ng mga pwedeng pumunta, ma-interview.
Okay.
And I know that I am not,
Hindi pa ikaw mismo 'yan, ah. Okay,
Hindi po.
Okay.
And then, nung time na yun, na-interview, sabi nila, kung legit yan, kasi dati po,
Oo.
wala daw bayad
Okay.
yung papunta dito.
Yes.
Sabi nila, wala daw placement fee, which kinakabahan yung ibang mga friends ko or mga ibang kawork ko kasi
Oo.
imposible naman, walang babayaran. Sabi ko, hindi, let's go. Try nyo. Mahilig po kasi yung ganun, like
Yeah.
mag-push.
Yes. Oo.
So, sabi ko, hindi, samahan ko kayo, sige. So, ayan po, short story, pagkasama ko sa kanila, ako yung natanggap, sila hindi.
Sinamahan mo sila dito?
Hindi,
sa agency?
interview.
Okay.
Oo, sa interview. Tapos sabi ko, hindi po ako papasa. Talagang yun na yung
Yeah,
sinabi ko.
yeah.
Tapos sabi niya, hindi, i-try mo lang. Kasi, malay mo lang, nandito ka naman na sabay-sabay na kayo. And then,
Oo.
ayun, pag may plano talaga si Lord, kahit
Yeah.
feeling mo, hindi ikaw yon,
Yes.
pero ikaw yung papapuntahin niya at may plano siya sa'yo. Ayun, nakapunta po ako dito ng unplanned.
Right. Pero ang galing, no? God
Opo.
talaga is a God of plot twist, eh.
Yes!
Divine plot twist. Right?
True.
Yeah.
True.
So what was your reaction na parang ikaw ang natanggap? Tapos eventually, ayan na, you're going to UAE na pala. Right.
sa totoo lang po, sobrang shock kasi wala po akong kakilala dito. And,
Okay.
Hindi ko alam kung this is God's will. Kasi minsan may mga opportunities that you're afraid, but that
Yeah.
maybe it's not the right thing for you.
Understand, yes.
Pero sabi ng mama ko, go. Sabi niya, go and explore. Kasi parang sabi niya sa akin, maaga kang nagtrabaho.
Yeah.
I came here 23 years old and from 18 pa lang ako nag-work na ako eh. So sabi niya, try mo, ako bahala sa anak mo, ganyan. But then, pagdating ko po dito, I thought na, everything is good. Kasi nakita mo, talagang nag-search ka na.
Right.
Luxury.
Right.
Kita mo yung talaga extravagant life.
Yes.
But then, ayun, it's a prank. Na-joke lang po.
Pinanood mo ba yung movie na Dubai?
9 years! 9 years! Naniwala mo ko na pwedeng matupad yung pangarap.
Hindi
Yeah.
nga po eh.
Hindi.
Sana napanood ko yun eh.
Oo, later.
But hindi ko po pinili ang Dubai noon nung pagdating ko dito.
Okay.
Nung after po ng training namin, tinanong po kami ng parang trainer namin if
Yeah.
I wanted to stay in Dubai. Hindi ko po pinili.
Hindi,
Kasi
hindi
sabi
talaga.
ko po sa
Okay.
sarili ko, nag-declare na ako na pagdating ko sa Dubai, hindi na ako magme-metro. Kasi naalala niyo po
yung MRT sa
Oo,
atin.
MRT,
Oo.
tapos pipila. Naranasan ko po yung pumila sa
Yes.
EDSA
Oo.
ng parang 30 minutes to 1 hour bago ka makasakay
Grabe
ng
yun.
ng
Yeah, mula
MRT.
sa baba, di ba? Pila ka
Yes.
sa hagdan.
Yes.
Pero mas maganda metro dito.
Oo nga po. Pero parang hindi ko lang
Oo.
po na, sabi ko lang po sa sarili ko na I need to, change.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
need to change
Understand.
my, routine.
Yes.
Parang
Yes.
nakasanayan. I
Parang
wanted
you
to-
set some expectations in a way of
Opo.
what life would be for you
Yes.
here. Okay.
And I choose Abu Dhabi nung una.
So what slapped you with reality?
Ah, hindi ko po kasi inaakala na, akala ko po kasi may accommodation dito and all. Ayun po, syempre nakaranas po tayo ng sharing apartment and iba-iba po yung,
Yes.
culture doon sa loob ng apartment na yun.
Iba ugali.
Iba
Yeah.
ugali, hygiene and all.
Yes.
Syempre po shock.
Oo.
Pero, hindi ko po kasi agad yun nakita eh. Nung eventually, nung nakalipat na ako ng ibang bahay, parang nung unang pagdating ko, ang kailangan ko lang, is, di ba po may probation na 6 months?
Yes.
So, kailangan ko lang pong galingan sa work.
Oo.
Ganun lang
Yeah.
yung kailangan ko isipin. Even though medyo mahirap yung una. Kasi ang kalaban nyo po yung separation nyo sa
Yes,
family nyo,
Yeah.
longing,
Homesickness,
diba?
yeah.
Homesickness. Tsaka, pag mag-isa ka lagi, yung mind mo, ang dami mong naiisip,
True.
you wanted to give up.
Oo.
Pero sabi ko, hindi eh. Hindi. Si Lord yung nagdala sa akin dito. It was not my plan. So, I
Yes.
just need to stay and be still. Yan
Yeah.
talaga yung naisip ko.
Pero sabi mo, you wanted to go back home? Or ayaw mo na sa Dubai? Nung pinili ang Dubai?
Hindi ko lang po pinili yung Dubai.
Ah.
May mga times po na naisip ko dapat siguro hindi na lang ako umalis kasi yung anak
see.
ko,
Okay, I get it.
naiiwan, ganyan. Pero, ayun po, sabi ko po sa sarili ko na hindi may plano si Lord sa akin.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, Lord, alam ko, I can make something, I can make an impact, or I can, kasi yun po yung naging, nakasanayan ko noon, mahilig akong mag-share ng opportunity kasi
Yes.
gusto ko na ikaw, you can be someone. Parang ganon yun.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
you can achieve something. Marami rin po akong mga bad decisions that I paid it very hard. Lalo na sa finances.
You mean lessons?
Lessons.
Yeah, right.
Because, masasabi ko po, sabi ko nga po, di ba, maraming temptations. Andyan din yung pagdating sa pera.
Yes.
And loans, credit card. Kasi you were new. And ang pinaka pagkakamali ko nun, since it's my first year in UAE, sabi ko ba, I will pay myself. Wala naman pong masama.
Yeah.
Like, treat yourself. But sumobra ako.
Okay.
Masasabi ko na
Right.
talagang I spend too much. And then,
Lalo na nasa Dubai ka. You're surrounded with many,
yes, ang daming
Temptations.
sale. Tapos parang
Yes.
deprived nga ako dahil nga maaga akong nagkaroon ng responsibility.
Okay.
Na-deprive ako. Feeling
Right.
ko lang pala yun, na-deprive ako dun sa mga bagay na pwede ko makuha and
Oo.
all. But also, as a breadwinner, hindi ko na siya naayos. So, nagpatong-patong. And isa ring mistake na masasabi ko, a lesson, let's say, na masasabi ko na nagawa ko is I helped someone because out of, I wanted to, parang gusto ko silang maalis dun sa sitwasyon nila.
Okay.
So, I took a loan and, made a decision that put up a business in Philippines. Pero hindi
Alright.
ako yung
Okay.
mag-ooperate. Sad to say, after 3 months, ayun, na,
Mm.
ano na siya.
So
Hindi siya na-manage ng maayos. So,
See.
I have to pay it kahit wala na yung, ano na yun, yung traditional business na yun.
Mhm.
And, sabi ko nga, sige, and what to do?
Oh, yeah.
Kailangan mong pagbayaran yung mga bad decisions or, you know.
Right. I mean, of course, it's painful na
Yeah.
iniisip ko pa lang how much more ikaw na
Yes.
ginawa mo talaga.
Oh.
Right.
So, yun, dun po ako talagang, siguro masasabi ko na disciplined.
Mm.
Kasi, pagdating sa finances, pag may binigay pala si Lord na blessing sa'yo, you have really to take care of,
Yeah,
even
yeah,
if it's a small thing, or,
Mm.
mga mali. And, isa rin po sa mga lessons po na, wag mong i-carry lahat. Let other people work for themselves. Hindi mo kailangan na, as a breadwinner. Kasi tayo, and my thinking that time po is, siguro pag naging okay yung business na yan, after 2 years, makaka-uwi na ako ng Philippines.
Oh, very like many of us.
Very,
right.
very, very common.
Okay.
Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko po alam na ang pagbe-business kailangan din aralin.
Yes, yes.
Hindi lang pala porque masarap yung pagkain na hinahain mo, that's it.
Yeah.
No, kailangan magaling ka sa accountancy, marunong ka mag-market, kahit lugaw pa yan, dapat
Oo.
kilala ka ng tao. I don't know anything about it.
Yeah.
Kasi yung na-build sa akin, or let's say commonly na pag nag-business ka, magiging okay ka.
Yes,
Like,
yes. I think ganyan lagi yung narinig nating encouragement, especially when a lot of talks and seminars are coming here in the UAE.
Opo.
Na parang everyone is encouraging you to do business, to jump business. Yung iba pa nga, they frame it like this is the way to become wealthy.
Yes.
Pero tulad ng sinabi mo kanina, and I agree with you, sometimes dalawang areas na nakikita natin, but there are a lot of other areas that we don't look into.
Exactly.
Yun yung reality ng running a business.
Exactly
Right?
po.
Yeah. I mean, I'm also speaking from mistake on that area.
Totoo po.
So, Jana,
Ang dami
masasabi
kong
mo
hugot,
bang, daming hugot, oh. Part 1 pa lang to.
Part 1 pa lang, di ba?
Right. Pero masasabi mo bang na all of these, and maybe some more, ito yung mga nag-drive sa'yo to keep going? Kasi dalawa lang pwedeng mangyari eh. With setbacks, people either would stop, and come back,
Opo.
or they will use this as fuel to push for more.
Opo. To be honest po, it drives me more.
Okay.
And ang naiisip ko po kasi lagi is marami pa rin tao na they wanted to come here but they didn't got the chance to come here. Or maybe they wanted to stay here but suddenly kailangan nilang umuwi because of situation.
Yes.
And ako, wala naman akong reason to go back. First of all, sa nangyayari sa Pinas.
10
Well,
years
hindi-
ago na yan. Hanggang
Hindi ko po kayang makita ulit yung sarili ko na, I wanted to really have this pagiging independent sa time ko and
Yeah.
freedom dun sa, sa, hindi po financially, pero yung peace of mind. Yun
Yes.
po yung masasabi ko, about time and peace of mind.
Yeah, yeah. Pero teka, Jana, dun sa telecom, how long did you stay there? And yun lang ba yun before you jump out of the corporate?
Actually po, I stayed there for 4 years.
4 years,
And
okay.
eto na naman.
Sige, balikan natin.
Opo. I got an opportunity that time when I was working in that company. Lagi po kasi ako nagpa-participate sa media kahit hindi ako bayan. Like for example, may sa mga staff, may gathering
Okay.
or meron po silang hindi po para i-commercialize pero para lang po sa staff ng telecom company na yun. So, nagpe-present po ako na ako yung
What's your step?
sige po, mag-shoot or kaya mag-hosting sa mga events and
Okay.
awarding ng mga staff nila and all.
I think you have it in you.
Siguro po. So, ang nangyari po noon, may nakapansin po dun sa ginagawa kong effort. And may nag-offer po sa akin to move here in Dubai as a business manager
Okay.
sa isang media company.
Okay.
And sobrang happy ko noon kasi kilala yung may-ari na yon. Masasabi ko po na hindi ko na lang po babanggitin pero kilala po yung
Ibulong mo na lang mamaya.
yung owner na yon, kilala siya.
Okay.
And sabi ko, wow, magtatayo siya ng media company dito. And again, nagbigay siya sa amin ng vision na ito yung mangyayari, mga Filipino, aangat natin yung pangalan ng mga Filipino pagdating sa media and all. So,
Okay.
okay, sige. And nakita ko naman po yung hangarin niya na gusto niyang matulungan yung mga Pilipino.
Yeah.
Kahit hindi siya Pilipino. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
so, masasabi ko, may blood siya ng Philippines. And
Okay,
then, sabi ko, sige po, I'll move here and in-offer niya po sa akin yung sahod na mataas
Aha.
than my current salary. Pero doon
Okay.
po sa 4 years work ko, kahit nakapikit ako doon, alam mong sasahod ka. Pero since ito po is parang
Parang startup.
startup company,
Oo.
in-expect ko po kasi na parang dahil startup siya, na plano niya lahat,
Yeah.
kahit may customer or wala, on the first 6 months, sasahod ka.
Oo.
Unfortunately po, hindi po kami pinasahod ng tama. 50% lang yung sinasahod namin that time at
Wow.
hindi niya kami binisipin.
Oh, okay.
At ang pinaka nakakainis po doon
Anong taon to?
2020.
Okay, okay.
And naiintindihan ko naman po like dumating yung pandemic and all.
Yeah.
Pero we are building our portfolio that time. So we were expecting na kahit may mga challenges kami,
Oo.
hindi naman ang usapan naman, hindi naman kami magkakaroon agad ng client that time. We're gonna build everything.
Just setting it up. Oo.
Yes.
Oo.
And ako po as a business manager that time, so
Yeah.
inaral ko lahat. Kahit wala akong experience on a lot of things, I wanted to change
Yes.
yung situation ko before. So sabi ko, sige po, I'll really push hard kahit magtrabaho ka sa ganun naman po talaga siguro pag startup mo.
Oo. Kakamihan.
And
ganun
I
yung story.
hired many Filipinos. Ay,
Okay,
masasabi
for
ko,
this. Okay.
10. Ayan, 10
Marami
kami.
yun. Yeah.
Marami. And, syempre po, ako yung nagsabi sa nila, ito yung offer and all. Pero,
Oo.
nag-end up, kahit may maganda na silang work, nag-end up kami dun sa trabaho na wala kaming sinasabot. Yung mga ganong story
Okay,
po na
okay.
hindi binisahan,
Oo.
ano.
So 2020 nangyayari pa rin yun, no? Kasi ganyan yung mga story ko like a decade earlier.
Yes. So, hindi ko po in-expect, pero
So, hindi ka nagtagal doon? Hindi ka tumagal din sa
Opo.
company?
8 months
Okay.
lang po. And then, just to share din po, nung nasa Abu Dhabi pa po ako, nag-aaral po kasi ako ng skills. Kasi iniisip ko po, after kong mag-fail dun sa traditional business, sabi ko,
Yeah.
mag-i-invest ako sa sarili ko.
Yun.
I need to
okay.
help myself.
Right.
So, nag-aral po ako ng mga beauty skills. Yan,
Okay.
na trending nung time na yon.
Okay.
So, dumating din po ako sa time na nag-home service ako, may dala akong maleta, nagbabahay-bahay ako para gumawa ng mga services ko before.
Alright.
And then sabi ko, sige, ipuperso ko siya dito sa Dubai since hindi ako nagtagumpay dun sa corporate job.
You're
So-
really not stopping, ano? I mean, behind the hurdles na meron sa
Opo.
circumstances, you're finding ways to do something new.
Yes.
Just kasi ang goal mo is you want to keep going.
Opo. Tsaka, hinahanap ko po talaga, saan mo ba ako lalagay, Lord? Kasi
Oh, okay.
para sa akin po, hindi po pwedeng lagi ka lang mag-iintay eh. You have to
Mm.
explore, you have to check around kung
Yeah.
ano man yung may offer ng mundo sa'yo.
Yes. Also, nag-explore ka ng mga beauty courses, I would
Opo,
say.
nakakuha po ako ng mga certificates and
Ah,
international certificates and all.
Okay.
So, may nag-offer po sa akin na mag-work sa Jumeirah. Same thing again happened. Hindi na naman po kami pinasahod for 8 months and di po kami
8 months,
pinasahod. So,
grabe.
imagine
Yeah.
niyo po, from 2020 hanggang 2021,
Yeah.
pwede na ako sumuko. I can go back home
Oo.
na. Kasi dalawang fail na yun eh.
Dalawang fail, isang taon, or more than 1 year. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Like, sabi ko, hala, ano to? And dumating din po kami sa time ng friend ko na naglalakad na lang kami papuntang metro, naghahanap ng mga barya-barya sa mga, para lang makapag-bus or makapag-metro.
Yeah.
But then, sabi ko, hindi, may plano si Lord. Buti na lang po, Christian in faith din po yung kawork ko noon,
Okay.
na naging best friend na kami
Okay.
because of what's happening. And
Mm.
then, nung time na po na sinara na yung pinagtatrabahuhan namin because the owner ran away,
Okay.
binigyan niya kami ng bounce check na sabi niya, babayaran ko kayo ng isang buuhan na lang, ganyan, huwag kayong
Wow.
mag-alala. So,
Mm.
the reason why we stayed,
Mm,
baka kasi
mm,
magtanong
mm.
sila, bakit ka pa nag-stay? Hindi ka
Oo,
na sumasahod.
maasa pa tayo dun sa
Opo,
chat. Okay.
may check siya na, pasensyahan yun na may struggle lang ako, ganyan-ganyan,
Okay.
babayaran ko kayo isang beses. And then one time, pumasok na lang po kami, sarado na yung pinagtrabuhan na.
Tumakas na siya.
And, of course po, sobrang mahirap kasi as a breadwinner, pag ikaw yung gutom or ikaw yung hirap, hindi lang ako eh.
Yeah.
pati yung family na
You cannot
umaasa
give what
sa'yo.
you don't have.
Opo.
Literally. Yeah.
So, yun na po yung turning point namin na nag-decide po kami to start all over again.
Mhm.
And since may mga connections na po kami, mga current clients na kami, doon na po kami nag-start na mag-start kami na nag-freelance or
This is your beauty services. Tapa.
Opo.
Okay.
And then nakaipon po kami
Mhm.
nakapag siguro po nagamit ko rin po yung naituro sa akin doon sa media company na
Okay.
pag-shoot kasi mga kasama ko po mga graphic designer, mga
Right.
videographer, director and all. Nagamit ko siya doon sa business ko
Mhm.
na nangyari nag-viral yung mga videos.
Okay.
Yun. So nagkaroon po ako ng clients.
Tama yung sinasabi na everything will work together for good.
Yes. Kaya kahit minsan questionable na bakit to nangyayari,
Yeah.
anong tinuturo nito sa akin.
Yes.
But you just need to write all down those lessons and keep it with you.
Mm.
Kasi madalas po before ako, I dwell in the past.
Mhm.
Na
Mhm.
parang hindi ka na makaalis doon. But ginamit ko na lang po yung past na yon na i-list down lahat ng mga natutunan and
Yeah.
use it. Parang ano mo siya, parang arsenal. Sabi ng asawa ko, ano yun, bala mo siya.
Yeah.
Oo, bala mo
Ammunition,
siya.
Weapon. Oo.
Opo, hindi mo alam kung kailan mo siya gagamitin but keep it with you.
Mhm.
And then, yun po, natuto ko mag-edit, in-edit ko yung mga gusto kong i-share sa hanggang sa nakakuha po kami ng license.
Okay.
Nakapag-open po kami ng
Wow, praise God. Nag-lead sa opening ng
Yes.
business talaga.
Oo.
Alright.
And then, until now, meron pa rin po yun.
Tell us, so anong pangalan ng business?
Jana K Beauty Services.
Jana K. Alright.
Dalawa po kami, naghati kami ng friend ko.
Okay, okay.
Oo, nag-ano po kami, partner po kami. So, doon na po nag-start and then, of course, sabi ko nga po sa business, hindi po siya palaging okay. So, dumami na rin yung competitors. Kasi, minsan, syempre, yung mga tao, they wanted to join the what's the hype. So,
Yeah.
ang nangyari po kasi nun sa akin, masyado siyang naging hype.
Okay.
Siguro po yung dumating po sa time na dahil...
Can you give me a bit, siguro, I'm just thinking kasi beauty services,
Mga-
baka as a man, hindi ako masyadong familiar.
sige po.
Can you tell me ano exactly yung...
So, yung mga beauty services po na ino-offer namin is about enhancing the skin, kunyari yung mga
Okay.
scars, yan
Okay.
po, or mga Korean facial, ganyan po, or
alright.
mga eyelashes,
Now I understand
kilay,
yung mga
ayan.
trends. Tama,
And-
tama. Okay.
Boy Dubai. Ayun po, hindi na kita tinawag na kuya.
Yun.
So, along the way, nakita ko rin po yung purpose ko while I'm doing the beauty service. Kasi
Aha.
per client, I have 1 hour po na
Okay.
na time with
Session with them, yeah.
Opo. And dumating din sa time na from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. walang hinto.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Grabe po talaga when it rain, it pours.
Mm.
Pero hindi ako nakakaramdam ng pagod. Because I've heard many stories of a lady or female na like, okay, ito pala yung story nila, nahihirapan din sila, parehas lang, di rin pinasahod, di rin pinisahan, or iniwan ng asawa.
Right.
Kasi lagi ko po tinatanong, why you are doing this?
Yes,
I wanted
yes.
to hear their story. Kasi Jana, ganito, yung asawa ko, sinabihan ako na hindi na daw ako maganda or hihiwalayan niya na ako. This kind of story na iba-iba.
Okay. Yeah.
Na, uuwi na kasi ako finally after 5 years, uuwi na ako sa Pilipinas. Like this kind of, small success sa kanila or may
Right.
mga problems sila. Hanggang sa naging iba friends na din, naging friends na kami kasi they keep on coming back. And I felt na nagamit ako ni Lord dun sa part na not to just to treat them, but para may masabihan sila. Minsan kasi yung stranger, yun pa yung mas masarap.
Totoo yun.
Open
Totoo.
upan ng-
Mas comfortable pa actually to have a conversation like that.
Yes,
Yes,
na
yes.
parang walang judgment.
Oh yeah, exactly. Right.
And,
They don't know your history, right?
Apo, walang ganon.
see,
So, dun ko po nahanap na, okay, like, ang dami palang stories ng mga kababaihan na also, same ng mga nang napagdaanan ko din. Yung iba
Yeah.
bago lang din sa akin.
Right.
So, I keep on going. Kahit minsan, syempre sa business, hindi araw-araw Pasko.
Oo. Yeah.
Minsan wala, minsan meron. And, nakakatuwa lang po kasi yung mga tao, they come not just because of my service, but they trust me na dito ako kasi even though pare-parehas na kayo ng mga ino-offer, pero
Yes.
I feel comfortable to share my stories. And yun din po yung way na nakapag-share din ako ng mga testimonies ko sa kanila. Plus, paano pinago ni Lord yung buhay ko paunti-unti. Even though there's a lot of struggles, you can be grateful
Yeah.
na
I mean, I look at that as like your ministry. That you don't have to do any other extra. Just be there where you are and
Yes.
share your story, your testimonies with
Yes.
people who would need to hear that. Ang
yes.
galing.
Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Kasi dati po, pag sinabi sa akin dati sa Philippines, mag-minister, parang, ang naiisip ko dun sa bus, mag-aano ka.
Diba? Oh.
Yan po yung tradition dati.
Yes,
sa,
yes.
Mag-share ka ng
Right. And
Word.
people won't connect really if you do things like
Opo.
that. Yeah. Ang galing. And as a customer, maybe hindi sa beauty myself, but my
Opo,
wife,
opo.
what you're doing is you're building relationship with your clients, with your customers. And that's what makes us customers come back.
Yes.
Right? Yung relationship, yung comfort, sabi mo nga kanina, tsaka yung trust nila, Chana is not just my provider of this service, but
Opo.
I feel happy when I'm there.
And it also connects po.
Sana ganyan lahat ang mindset ng mga tao, especially those Filipino who's thinking about running businesses.
Oh, yun nga.
Right.
And it also connects dun sa first work ko dito as a customer service for
Oo.
4 years, ha? Nga.
Galing
Kasi-
ang nagamit lahat.
Opo, kasi iba-iba rin yung ibang lahi din. Meron
Yeah.
din po ako mga customers na sa beauty na iba-ibang lahi din. So,
Oh,
I've learned kung paano makipag-communicate sa kanila. Pag ganitong nationality, ganito yung pagkausap.
Yeah.
Or pag may reklamo, of course, hindi mo yan maiiwasan sa business. May magsasabi
Yeah.
or not satisfied.
Mm.
You know how to deal with them.
Yeah.
Kaya, they keep on coming back. Kahit nung una, may bad impression sila about
Right.
kung ano mang services na nakuha nila sa'yo. But, you know how to deal with it. Kaya sabi ko, sir, ang galing mo talaga.
Oh.
As in.
Nagto-talk about these things that you have learned and you are doing continuously sa business mo?
As of the moment po, nagkakaroon na po ako ng time to share it in the crowd. And add ko na rin po,
Oo.
because of that story of mine,
Oo.
na-feature po ako before sa Dubai Bliss.
Doon sa Netflix?
Opo, na-invite po ako ng isang billionaire. Imagine niyo po, kakaisip ko na,
Sunod ako sa series.
oo, nasa series ako.
Balikan
Tapos,
ko nga.
parang may Shark Tank po kasi doon.
Yes.
And pinitch ko po yung beauty business. Though
Okay.
hindi siya yung parang sila yung pero
Yeah.
parang may cash prize lang doon.
Yeah.
And I was able to showcase them what I do.
Galing naman.
Ang
Balikan
galing,
natin
no?
nga. Dubai Bling sa
ang
Netflix.
Galing, ang galing
Right.
po. So, hindi man yun super, pero kakaisip ko na how I can be able to open another opportunity for me.
Yeah.
Ayun.
You know what? Sa kwento ni Jana, I mean, we can go on and on and on.
Ang dami
Talaga,
mo.
we'll have 10 parts of this episode. Pero, I mean, the bottom line is there. You've heard her and you've seen her doing it until now. And, ayun. So, you might hear people say, don't give up. But
Yes.
more than that, take it from her. Look at your decision points. Look at the way you decide, right? And, ayun. Thank you so much, Jana.
Thank you po.
Tell them where they can follow you.
Ay,
and
po,
the business and the community. Yeah.
sa personal ko po, sa TikTok or sa IG or sa Facebook, you can look for Hello Jana. Ayan. And
Ayun. Thank you so much,
thank you po.
Jana.
God bless po.
It's been a very fruitful morning.
Yes
Gandang
po.
start ng
Yes,
Wednesday.
salamat po.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you po. Thank
Alright,
you po.
bye. God bless. Grabe, we could go on and on.